Hello everyone, this is Hitechtalk. So Instagram have added a new feature today that you can add a note to your post or a reels. So if you are adding a notes to any of the post, not just in yours. For example, if you are following any celebrity or a page and you have added a note to their post or a reels, that the people or your followers who is also following that account, then they can see that notes. For it's basically like either you can select the option the people who follow you back or a close friends. For example, a celebrity Salman Khan have posted something and your someone who follow you, that person is also following Salman Khan. So when you are adding a notes to their post, they can also see that notes. For a post it will last 1 day and for a reels it will last for 3 days. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to use this feature. So you need to open your Instagram app and select any post. For example, that can be a post or a reel. For example, I am selecting this post. I will click on share icon. Here you can see add note option is there. So I will write it cute this and I will share it, and you can see how it is added now. So the people to whom I am doing follow back, okay, and if that person is also following Justin Bieber, then they can see my notes here. So this is how this feature work. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.